Solana meme coin Bonk has completed the purchase of the multi-chain art marketplace Exchange Art. While the purchase is a surprise for community members, speculators have their eyes peeled on a potential rally for Bonk price. According to a post on X, Solana-based project Bonk has outrightly purchased Exchange Art. While the announcement did not disclose the figures surrounding the deal, Bonk says it will preserve art on the Solana network. The acquisition will see the phasing out of Exchange Art's leadership and replacement with a brand new team. Internationally exhibited artist JT Liss has been tapped to lead the operations at Exchange Art amid grand plans to improve Solana's creator economy. Bonk has officially acquired the art marketplace Exchange Art, read the announcement. The goal? To preserve and elevate the culture around creating, collecting, and appreciating art on-chain. Bonk co-founder Nee The Guy disclosed that the top Solana meme coin will continue Exchange Art's streak of promoting art in the ecosystem. The co-founder confirmed plans to integrate Exchange Art with the Bonk Art Masters initiative. It'll continue to expand the reach of artists creating works on the platform, improving the financial incentives for both creators and collectors, said the Nee The Guy. At the moment, the Bonk price is largely uneventful following reports of Exchange Art acquisition. It has fallen by 6% over the last 24 hours and currently trades at $0.00001361. The meme coin indicates no signs of an upswing, with daily trading volumes down by 30% over the last day at $107 million. The dog-themed coin has lost 77% since hitting its previous all-time high, but community sentiment remains enthusiastic. On the other hand, Solana SOL price is up 2% amid frenetic meme coin activity in its ecosystem. On the back of meme coin activity on the network, pundits say SOL can rally 96% to reach $270. Despite the buzz around dog-themed tokens, Kathy Wood predicts that meme coins will lose value in the coming years. Bonk or Bonk is the people's dog coin. It is the first Solana dog coin made by the people for the people. It is a fun new meme coin running on the Solana blockchain. It is also the first Solana dog coin created by the community for the community. Furthermore, Bonk will airdrop 50% of the entire supply to the Solana community. The developers are fed up with Alameda's poisonous tokenomics, and they want to have some fun. Bonk is a fun meme coin where everyone has an equal chance to participate and potentially build something amazing. Following OpenBook's introduction, they want to restore liquidity to Solana DEXs with their Open Bonk project. 20% of Bonk's supply was allocated to early contributors who played a part in Bonk's token design, web development, business development, marketing, and much more. Bonk had a total of 22 early contributors in its ecosystem. The tokens will have a linear vesting period of 3 years to protect ecosystem participants. Initially, the project set aside another 5% of the supply for future contributors. However, amendments have been made to the tokenomics, and all 5% previously meant for future contributors have been burned. Bonk's DAO will receive 15% of the token supply. 5% of the supply was used to provide liquidity for Bonk on Orca, Solen, the Monaco protocol, and several other decentralized protocols on the Solana ecosystem. The final 5% will be used for marketing promotions, giveaways, and future airdrops. What's driving the black price? Bonk's recent momentum began a couple of months ago with the introduction of single-sided staking Bonk pools. This feature allowed Bonk holders to earn a yield on Bonk without having to deposit a second asset that Bonk would trade against. In the last fortnight, users' transaction fees and the number of Bonk transactions have surged. Other factors in Bonk's price momentum have been the recent announcement on December 14th that blue-chip, publicly listed exchange Coinbase would be listing the token. Other meme coins that have a longer history and similar large market caps, like Pepe, have been ignored by Coinbase. But with Bonk, the Coinbase effect is clearly evident. The listing has boosted the mainstream legitimacy of the Bonk token and introduced it to Coinbase's large user base. In addition, Bonk perpetual swap derivatives can be traded on the popular trading platform, BitMEX, with up to 10x leverage. Bonk Mania is also benefiting the wider Solana ecosystem. Bonk has boosted the sales of Solana's Saga crypto phone. New owners of the phone have been able to claim airdrops of Bonk. Saga holders can claim up to 30 million Bonk. At current market rates, this is $695. This is more than the price of the Saga phone, $599. That makes it one of the most unique arbitrage opportunities in crypto today. Like Pepe and Doge, Bonk is a meme coin inspired by internet memes, jokes, and satire. Meme coins are not designed with a specific use case in mind, but rather as a way to express humor, creativity, and social commentary through cryptocurrency. In their own words, the Bonk team was fed up with a toxic Alameda tokenomics insult and wanted to create a fun meme coin that would give everyone a fair shot. The token was created to rebuild the X's liquidity in the Solana ecosystem, which had crumbled in the weeks before the launch of Bonk. In November and December 2022, the world seemed to be coming to an end for Solana investors. The Solana ecosystem suffered from the FTX and Alameda scandals. Alameda had $1.1 billion worth of SOL tokens on its balance sheet, which was more than 10% of SOL's entire supply. As Alameda tried to scramble through the turbulence after going burst, the company was forced to liquidate most of its holdings, including SOL. As expected, Solana's price licked the dust. Following the downfall of the SOL token, many investors lost faith in the ecosystem, and a few Solana-based NFT projects migrated from the network. This further drew down liquidity in the ecosystem. It all seemed over for Solana until Bonk came to steal the show. The Bonk developers had been working on the dog-themed coin for some months before the crash of Solana. However, the time seemed to be just right to launch. The Bonk token launched on December 25th, and as promised, a significant proportion of its supply was airdropped to Solana artists, collectors, and developers. This helped to resuscitate liquidity on the SOL chain. What's a meme coin without the hype? Meme coins are known for their extreme volatility and speedy surge in price, and Bonk was no exception. After its launch, the token drew liquidity into the Solana ecosystem. The Bonk team wanted to take control away from the big players and bad actors and give the Solana network back into the hands of users. In its white paper, many integrations have been mapped out to achieve this. The first step in achieving this was implementing an airdrop distribution mechanism that would favor Solana builders and users. Half of Bonk's supply was airdropped to Solana's Deegan and DeFi traders, NFT artists, and developers. This massive airdrop distribution injected more liquidity into the Solana ecosystem. Orca, a decentralized exchange on the Solana chain, reported a trading volume of over $20 million following the airdrop's distribution. Further, Solana's liquidity pools gained traction again, and liquidity providers on Orca earned as much as 999% APR for the Bonk/USDC pair as of January 4, 2023. This interesting development drew some investors back to the network. Perhaps the DeGod's NY00TS NFT project, which exited Solana, will have wished they never exited, as they forfeited billions of Bonk tokens from the airdrop. Initially, Bonk had a slow and steady price appreciation in the closing days of December. All that changed in January 2023. Bonk, which started the year trading around $0.0000002, saw a 10x price surge within 4 days. The token's price further appreciated as investors' interest in the meme coin peaked, thanks to the success of the Solana revival mission. On January 5th, Bonk reached an all-time high of $0.0000049. Shortly after, though, many investors took profit and the price dropped significantly, trading around $0.0000003 at the close of the day. From January 6th to date, Bonk has been trading between $0.0000001 and $0.0000002. Bonk's market capitalization is over $75 million.